In this video, we will go over features or benefits of air compressors manufactured by Compressed Air Systems. Compressed Air Systems air compressor packages are manufactured for people who need to get work done. In this video, we will test our full-featured 7.5 horsepower 2-cylinder 2-stage compressor pump versus Ingersoll Rand's 2-cylinder 2-stage 7.5 horsepower air compressor. We're now going to do a discharge air temperature test. Our compressor package comes standard with a easy-to-view sight glass. The Ingersoll Rand does not have a sight glass or a centrifugal unloader. The Ingersoll Rand unit comes standard with a proprietary Ingersoll Rand discharge line and fitting. Our unit comes standard with a 1/2-inch JIC discharge line that is stainless steel braided. It can be sourced from any local hose facility if needed. The Ingersoll Rand 230-volt pressure switch is mounted on the exterior of the tank. Our pressure switch is mounted inside the compressor's control enclosure to protect it from damage. Our compressor comes standard with a solid aluminum welded after cooler. The Ingersoll Rand does not on this package. Our unit also comes standard with an automatic tank drain and a mounting skirt for the bottom of the tank. Our compressor comes standard with a 2-piece tank and top plate design designed to add longevity to the compressor package. The Ingersoll Rand is a welded tank and top plate design.